What's up friends? Welcome to my channel. HT has officially entered the AI eyewear market with the launch of its first AI glasses. The Vive Eagle designed with a pure refined and translucent aesthetic. The Vive Eagle blends lightweight comfort with powerful smart features. Weight under 49 grams. The frame includes adjustable nose pads and ergonomic contours for a perfect fit, while Zeiss sun lenses deliver top-tier UV protection without sacrificing visual quality. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 chip and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera capable of high-resolution photos and 30 fps videos. The glasses come with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Dual open-ear basis enhanced stereo speakers, a 4-array microphone system, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure robust connectivity and audio performance. HTC Virtual Bass technology delivers immersive sound while keeping users aware of their surroundings and minimizing leakage. With a built-in 235 mAh battery, the Vive Eagle offers up to 35 hours of standby, 4.5 hours of continuous music playback, and over 3 hours of call. Magnetic fast charging can restore 50% power in just 10 minutes. Voice control via HTC VIVE AI Assistant allows hands-free photography, note taking, location checks, and even instant multi-language translation for travelers. Available at price of $520. There are 4 colors options: red, coffee, grey, and black. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.